India saw a surge in coronavirus cases as the number jumped to 834 today, including 19 deaths. The rise came even as the country is in the midst of a 21-day lockdown announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to curb the spread of infection. 6 new cases of novel coronavirus have been detected in Maharashtra, taking a total tally to 159 in the state. 5 new cases have been reported in Mumbai, while 6th from Nagpur. The first flight on Friday morning has already delivered 1.4 tons of ICMR kits from Delhi to Aizawl, Kolkata and Hyderabad. That's what Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri tweeted. Meanwhile, he said that another such movement of ICMR kits is in progress from Mumbai to Pune, Bangalore and Thiruvananthapuram. Let's move on to next news. A software engineer was detained in Bangalore on Friday for giving a call to people to spread the coronavirus by going out and sneezing in the open. The person, identified as Mujib Muhammad, is reportedly an employee of tech giant Infosys. As part of his description in a social media site, Muhammad is a senior technology architect at Infosys. The company wrote on its Twitter account that his services were being terminated after due investigation. In a Facebook post, he had written that let's join hands, go out and sneeze with open mouth in public and spread the virus. Let's move on to next news. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has asked the government to help hundreds of people, a majority of them who are daily wage and construction workers, and their families who have been walking to their villages from cities amidst the complete lockdown over COVID-19. With businesses shut and construction stopped in the cities, laborers who make a living from daily wages have suddenly found themselves without jobs and incomes. The government has banned all flights, trains and road transport except the movement of essential supplies, as the novel coronavirus is highly infectious and can spread rapidly through the crowds. Priyanka Gandhi tweeted that a tragedy is unfolding along the borders in Delhi. Thousands of people have started walking to their homes. They have no support and no food. The terror of coronavirus, unemployment and hunger are pushing them to walk to their villages. I request the government to help them. Let's move on to next news. The United States on Friday announced $174 million financial assistance to 64 countries across the globe, including $2.9 million to India to help them fight the coronavirus pandemic. This is in addition to $100 million aid announced by the US in February. The newly announced assistance is a part of a larger American global response package across multiple departments and agencies, including the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, that is CDC. The funding is for 64 of the most at-risk countries facing the threat of the global pandemic. The US State Department said it is providing $2.9 million to help the Indian government prepare laboratory systems, activate case finding and event-based surveillance, and support technical experts for response and preparedness, and for more. Let's move on to next news. The coronavirus pandemic has driven the global economy into a downturn that will require massive funding to help developing nations. That's what IMF chief Kristalina Georgieva said on Friday. She said that it is clear that we have entered a recession that will be worse than in 2009 following the global financial crisis. She said in an online press briefing. With the worldwide economic sudden stop, Georgieva said the fund's estimate for the overall financial needs of emerging markets is $2.5 trillion. However, she also warned that the estimate is on the lower end.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.